Okay, now members, we are going to see an important method of calculating the area of any quadrilateral you can come across. So, this is what we call the shoelace method. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go through it. This is a method used to get an area of any quadrilateral on XY plane. Consider the figure below with the coordinates A, B, C. Now, how do we get it? The area of ABC is going to be a half diagonals. Now we are arranging from the first coordinate, the second, the third in a column form. So A, B, C. Then we end with the first coordinate always. So you start with the A, then you end with A. If you have maybe PQRS, you start with the PQRS, then you start with end with the P, the first coordinate. So that's why I'm having A at the start and A at the start. Never forget that. How does it work? You get the product of this, when you get the coordinate, you cross like this, like this, like this, then you get the product of these two. The product of those two like that. Then also you cross like this, diagonally, downwards, like this. This is going to be also the product of this and this, this and this, this and this. Then, how do we get the area? We get a half, sum of the upper products, you sum these upper products, then minus the sum of the lower products. In simple terms, we are getting the determinants of these 2 by 2 matrices. That's it. Now, what we do, we get the modulus of the result after getting the sum minus the sum of the lower products. Modulus, what does it mean? It means that if you have a negative, this modulus is going to convert it to a positive. It means that anything out of this should be a positive. If it's positive, remains positive. If it's negative, it comes to a positive because you can never get a negative area. So let's go through this question. Put a triangle ABC and let's find its area. Now, I have put it already for you there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going now to get the area. How do you get the area? You know that this is a right angle triangle, so our area is equal to half times base times height. What is our base? Our base is from 1 up to 5. So we count units here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our half, the base is 4. Then times our height. So our height is from 1 to 4. We use now the y because it's going in the y. So 1, 2, 3. Or you count this side. 1, 2, 3. So times 3. This will be by this one, by this 2. 2 times 3. So that will be having 6 square units. So that will be the area of this triangle ABC. So area of ABC will be 6 square units. Now, this is when we use the graph. What about when we use the shoelace method? Let us now see how we use the shoelace method. Now, what we do is we also set the points. Our area is always given by a half. Now, we set our points. We have A, then B, then C. Then don't forget to come and write A again. Then write the coordinates in a column form. Our coordinates are A is 1, 1. B is 5, 1. Then C is 5, 4. From here, the column form. Then A is 1, 1. Now what we do, we get a product like this. We get a product, then this product, then also this product like this. So 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 4, you get 20. Then 5 times 1, you get 5. We are getting the product. Then you also come and do it up. 5 times 1, you get 5. Then also 5. Then 1 times 4, you get a 4. Like that. So we are getting the products of those minor diagonals. These minor diagonals like this. Then our formula said is our area is going to be a half. Then we get, remember, the sum of upper product. Upper products. Then minus the sum of lower products. So let us see how it works. We're going to be now half times modulus. Let us sum the upper products. This 5 plus this plus this. We have 5 plus 5 plus 4. Then minus the lower products. We have 1 plus 20 plus 5. As simple as that. So this will give us half times, when you sum this you get 14, then minus, this will be 26. And you see, this is going to be half times modulus. When you subtract there, this from this, you get negative 12 modulus. But same, if you have a modulus of a negative, you get a positive. So there we have now half times now 12, which you see, and you multiply there, you get 6 square units. I think it's the answer we got here. Now let us apply the same idea on this number here. Find the area of the figure figure with coordinates, these ones. Now, here you can put now. There are some figures you cannot easily put and get the area. So let us see how do you find the area of those ones. So I have now P, Q, R, S. Now I have 4 coordinates. So my area, still I say, is going to be half times the coordinates I have P, Q, R, S. After writing the last, you come back to the first as P, like that. So P is 5, negative 3. This one is 2, 6. R is negative 1, 10. S is negative 4, 9. Then P, 5, negative 3. This should be the last and should be the first, as you see. Then we get their products. Let us start with the downer product. So this and this, you get 5. Then this and this, you get 20. Multiply this and this. Multiply this and this, you get negative 9. Multiply this and this, you get a 12. Positive. Negative 2 times negative 4, you get positive 4. Then also up, I come like this. The diagonal, negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Then I come to this. 6 times negative 1, get negative 6. Then I come to 10, like this. I get negative 40. 10 times negative 4. Then I come to this. I have 9 times 5, that is 45. Then, as simple as that. Then after that, you come and say your area is going to be a half times sum of upper product. Then minus sum of lower product. Modulus. Okay, this will be now a half times. Let us sum our upper products. We have negative 6 minus 6 minus 40, then plus 45. You sum them like this, then we sum the 30 plus 20 plus negative 9, then plus a 12 modulus. So this is here we are summing, but the negative and the positive, we get a negative. Okay, so you have now a half times. This will be negative 56 plus 45. There we get negative 7. Then minus. I think this is going to give us negative 7. This is going to be negative 9 plus 4. That would be 3. 3 plus 50. That would be negative 53. So let us open brackets and see. This will be a half modulus of negative 7. Sorry, this is positive. This is positive. This value is positive because this will be 20 plus 30, then plus this 3 to be 56, but remember we have subtracting of that. Then minus 53 modulus. And this would be, now you see we have a half times negative, when you simplify this, you get 60. And then you say it will be now a half times modulus of 60 will be now 60, which will be now 30. And these are square units. Simple as that. From here, you can note that modulus of negative 60 is equaling 60. Alright, this is turning them positives. So that's how you can use the gain area. That's how we use the Shoelace method members. I wish you well.